and welcome back. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the change oil light on this Grand Am. Now this will also work for several other General Motors vehicles such as the Impala and the Alero, but specifically I'm using this Grand Am as an example. Now it's pretty simple and straightforward. It basically just involves the ignition switch, your key, and the accelerator pedal. Alright, now I'm going to turn the key over onto the on position. Push the pedal to the floor 3 times. Start it. And there it is. Now obviously it went away as you saw. We're all good to go. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.